For more information, please refer to your owner's manual.
Currently, these are the styles of dispensers leading the way for our dishwashers. Here's our new style dispenser that provides additional benefits to our dishwasher's great performance. In addition to using one of our excellent performing wash cycles, you can also use a menu selection found on the dishwasher to adjust your rinse aid levels. You can also turn the sound and lights on or off with this great feature. Select a friendly mode or factory reset your appliance if needed. Let's take a walk through how to enter and navigate the menu settings. To enter the settings menu, press and hold the high temp button for 5 seconds until the high temp and dry lights turn on. Note, execute step 2 within 2 seconds of the lights turning on. Next, press the start resume button within 2 seconds. If you do not press start within 2 seconds, then the display will turn off, and you will need to start over and go back to step 1. For models with a display, an A will show in the display to indicate the rinse aid setting. For non-display models, tough or cookware light will turn on to indicate the rinse aid setting. Note, cycle buttons differ between all models. Reference your unit's display and owner's manual for details. Press the cycle or normal button to navigate through the settings menu. In the owner's manual, there is a table and instructions that walk you through what text will display on a display model and the LED pattern that will be displayed on a non-display model. Here are your menu selections available. A. Rinse aid. A0. Off. A1. 1 milliliter. A2. 2 milliliter. A3. 3 milliliter. This is the default setting until changed. With soft water, there's no need to use over 3 milliliter. Using the heated dry feature, along with this amount of rinse aid, will provide great results and save on your usage. You have selections that go up to 6 milliliter. Typically, the higher you set the level, in addition to selecting the heated dry, you can improve the performance. This dishwasher is specifically designed to be used with rinse aid for improved drying performance and controlling buildup of hard water deposits, minimizing repeat buildup of white film. Note, with hard water, use higher levels of rinse aid for the best results. Here are the remaining settings found. S. Sound. S0. Off. S1. On. L. Light in tub. L0. Off. L1. On. R. Factory reset. E. Kosher consumer friendly mode. E1 on. E0 off. All keys are disabled when in kosher mode except the cancel key. The customer exits the mode by hitting the cancel key twice, or the mode will automatically be exited if the customer waits 75 hours. The status LEDs will not turn on, sound is off, and the tub lights will not turn on until the customer exits the mode. The customer exits the mode by hitting the cancel key twice, or the mode will automatically be exited if the customer waits 75 hours. Let's enter and navigate the Rinse Aid submenu as an example and explain the levels. The first setting on the menu is the Rinse Aid submenu. Press the Start Resume button to select the feature and enter the submenu. Once in the submenu, A0 will show in the display. Non-display, the Power Wash, Tough, Normal buttons will have a light on to indicate rinse aid level is at 0 milliliter or off. To cycle through the different levels, press the Cycle or Normal button to change the levels. Example, for 0 milliliter, rinse aid off. Display will show A0. Non-display, the Power Wash, Tough, Normal buttons will have a light on. For 1 milliliter, display will show A1. Non-display, the Power Wash button will have a light on. Note, this example is relative to all menu settings and submenus. For all other settings mentioned above, please keep the following in mind. To see the current setting of a feature, follow steps 1 through 3. When the Start Resume button is pressed in step 3, the dishwasher will show the current setting. Press the Cancel button to exit without making any changes. Note, if you enter a feature setting page and need to go back to the main menu, press Cancel and proceed to step 1. For more information on the menu settings, please refer to your unit's owner's manual.